everyone, my name's Trin and today I'm going to do the soft glam makeup look that is suitable for everyday wear. This is a look that I have on my Instagram and I did post this on Subtle Asian Makeup and some people asked for tutorials, so I was like, why not, because I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel. So here it is. If you want to see it, keep on watching. I'm going to start off with filling in my eyebrows. Once they're all done, I'm gonna conceal underneath my brows for a more precise line. I'm gonna set my brows. I'm going to use concealer as my base for my eyes. I'm going to set my base with translucent powder. This is the ColourPop No Filter. For today's look, I'm going to be using the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. And I will be taking the shade Belair under here. And putting that in my crease. And then I'm gonna go into the shade, my type, I think. Yeah, it's my type. And deepen the crease and the outer V, as well as blending it into my inner corner. And to cut my crease, I'm using a flat concealer brush as well as my concealer. Now that the crease has been cut, I'm going to use Fluffy from I'm applying this with a finger just because I find that they give better color payoff than just using a brush. Then I'm gonna take this small brush to define the cut, to crease more. To give off a metallic finish, I'm going to use ColourPop Supernova Shadow in Rush Hour. This is pretty much like a gold liquid eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna top it off. So now that both of my eyelids have been cut, I'm going to use this eyeliner brush to deepen up the cut crease. Using the same shade from the palette that I used. Now I'm going to apply a winged liner using the Kat Von D ink liner. So I did my other eye off camera because I messed up and had to redo some of my eyeshadow and almost had a mental breakdown, but it's okay. We did it. It's super hard to do with lash extensions on. But since I do have extensions on, I'm not gonna do mascara or falsies, but normally like I would probably wear my Kiss lashes in Lily, which is what you see in my Instagram picture. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the shade Medium. I was really struggling to do my eyeshadow while talking because I don't know how beauty gurus actually do it, but like it's hard to describe what you're doing. And then I'm gonna conceal with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. that washed out in this lighting. We're gonna set using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. Now I'm gonna smoke out underneath my eyes, and I'm going to use the same shade from before, my type, this one. I'm gonna use Better Bitter in my inner corners. Now we're gonna use the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush. It's a nice shimmery, natural looking blush. This gives like a soft, dewy look. Because of the shimmer, it like has a little bit of a shine to it, which I really like. And then I'm going to contour slash bronze with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Move on to highlighter. I like to use this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush because it's nice and fluffy. And then I'm going to use Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. For the last step, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'll be using the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral, thanks to Jessica Vu. I have a few color choices that I could do with this look. First is this neutral pink from ColourPop. It's called Pinkies Up. I've also used MAC matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy, which has a little bit more of like an orangey tone. It's like your lips but better. I also have done red with this look before just because at games for cheer we have to wear red lips and a neutral eye, and this is what I've done before. But for the sake of the Instagram picture, I wore Pinkies Up, so I'm gonna do that today. Is the completed look.